The latest InstaShare 2 update introduces webcasting, a new way to share your screen without connecting to a specific network or downloading an app. Let's see how it works. Start by opening InstaShare 2 on your BenQ board. Then, head to Settings and make sure webcasting is turned on as it's disabled by default. Next, open a web browser on the device you want to share from and go to is2.benq.com. Note that this feature is only compatible with Chrome, Edge, and Opera. Once the page is loaded, use the randomly generated one or enter a username. Locate the session ID on your BenQ display. You can find it on the main InstaShare 2 page by tapping Share without app. Enter the session ID in your device's browser and click Connect. Then Device to Board. Now choose whether you'd like to share your browser tab, a specific window, or your entire screen. Then click Share to start sharing. That's it! Seamless sharing with no network configuration and no installations. For more guides and tips about InstaShare 2, be sure to check out our other videos.